Fox Focus. A few minutes for a closer look.
Hello there, and welcome to another edition of Case or No Case here on Fox Focus. I'm Andrea Williams, and that's my friend, attorney Jeff Pitman from PKSD Law Firm. How are you, Jeff?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. And I know you've got some good stuff for us today, right?
I do. First, the hoodies limited edition went fast, and so what we've got now is a limited edition PKSD Case or No Case long sleeve T-shirt. So people should reach out to us and get a long sleeve T-shirt from us, our gift to them.
Nice. And I am excited to hear this first scenario.
Okay, the first scenario is you've got a friend of yours who drives for Uber. And you know how that works. Sometimes they're on the clock and sometimes they're not. Well, your friend came to pick you up to go out for dinner. And so when she picked you up, she was not driving for Uber. She was not engaged, so to speak. And as she's driving along, she ends up rear-ending another car, and you get injured as a result of that rear-end accident. So case or no case for your injuries against Uber's insurance.
Wow, I'm thinking because she was not on the clock per se. No case.
No case against Uber's insurance. That's right. So case or no case against your friend's insurance company for that crash.
I think that's definitely a case.
Yeah, that was it. That was a softball. There's definitely a case involved in that. She's driving. She caused the accident. And so you would have a claim against her insurance company. So good job. You're 2 for 2 so far.
Thank you. And like you said, that was a softball coming from you. Of course, you can call to schedule a free, no obligation consultation by dialing the 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.
Interested in appearing on Fox Focus? Email us at foxfocus@fox6now.com.